up guys, it's your boy John. We are back again here with another video. We have something for the new Model Y. So if you guys were interested, this summertime, you know, you're going on road trips and whatnot. I have a little fridge on the second row. So this one holds cans, and as a father, I got some baby balls or whatnot. So always good to keep things chill. Very fast shipping, very easy to install, and the unit doesn't take that much room in the middle second row, which is impressive, while holding like multiple cans. So this is like a, you know, one of those energy drinks, Kirkland, shout out. But look, fits in there right there. You can probably put 4 cans, and ooh, it's very easy to install. You get a little bracket right here, and all you do is actually just push it in, and it kind of just locks in place. That's it. As far as power and like plug and playness, it just uses the USB. So the USB in the Tesla is actually enough to power it. So if you're interested in it, I'll leave a link right here below. So let's go to the install. All right, so we're in the second row here, and you can see there's plenty of room right here. There's like a cavity you don't really use. So this isn't taking any space. Now in the middle row, like the second row, middle seat, who really sits here? I'll show you how I am as a 6-foot person sitting in the middle. But here we go here. So if you look down here, it's really dark, but where this carpet meets this kind of center section, there's a little lip. So you kind of just hook that on that piece of that lip right there. And for me, you could either take these 2 screws out, hook it on the lip right here, push the chairs forward, and then screw it in like this. Or for what I would do, from my experience, to do it really fast, is you just honestly just put it in like this, and then you just push it in. It's on there good, and if you want to tighten anything, but it's on there, nice and snug. And all you have to do is to power the unit itself. It's like that. And 5C is as low as it goes, so it defaults to the cooling mode. You can increase the temperatures. Now, the condenser fan is actually pretty quiet. It's quiet. It's as quiet as maybe, or I have it at 7 degrees on the fan. I don't know what the fan speed on the Tesla is. It's on auto, but it's on medium speeds, and you can't really hear it on medium speeds here. If you're in the front seat, forget about it. You're not going to hear it. Now, if you had the fans off, you could hear like a laptop kind of whirl. So it's not too distracting or anything. It's something that you could set it and forget it and not have to worry too much about it. Now the next thing is you can increase the temperatures here, and also there is another functionality where you can apply heat mode. And the heat mode is just to keep things warm and stuff like that. And see how far I can go up. So 50C, that's pretty warm. Let's keep it on the cool mode. That's what I'm going to be using most of the time. And I just love how this USB can power a refrigerator. That's actually kind of mind-blowing. As far as what's inside here, you got this nice like gasket. Remember, you can fit multiple cans. And even though I just plugged it in, and I was kind of testing it earlier, within like 5-10 minutes, it actually got really cool. So that's always really nice. And the can is cold to the touch already, even though I've only been testing it for 5 minutes. And yeah, you can remove this little grill right here to add larger items. Let's say you got takeout or whatnot, you can put it in here. But you can put the can this way. But I think for most people, drinks would be ideal, and you can hold like 4 soda cans, or like in this case, I like to drink a lot of energy drinks, especially if I'm going on road trips from NorCal to SoCal. You want your drinks cold. Alright, so yeah, where I left off was that you can fit 4 soda cans, and you just get a lot of space. As a test, so I'm very comfortable in this seat right here, and obviously the Model Y has excellent middle row because there is it's a flat floor. There's no transmission hump. So this is something I can do. I can sit right here. As far as leg room, I guess if I wanted to be in between the fridge, you can see my toes right here. It's not bad. 6 feet tall. And then this would be my probably more ideal, comfortable, and the people in the middle or sides can utilize all this space. The Model Y has a lot of leg room, so maybe even I can use this and they can fan out. But it doesn't really take up too much space because this section right here, it goes so deep without you realizing it, so you're not, it doesn't feel like you're losing much. You gain a refrigerator slash like a heater to heat your food, which is also a plus. But yeah, if you guys were interested in this product, I'll leave down a link down below. The quality is really nice, soft touch material right here, like a rubber soft touch. I had the screen protector on, but you can remove the screen protector. I just think I like the overall aesthetic of it. It matches, it's like designed for the interior of the Model Y, so you can see how this lip goes up. You can kind of see how flush it is. This is not just like a half-baked product. This is a well thought out product for the newer Tesla Model Y. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys